Hey guys, the Raise Gaming Reacts here, and I'm back doing another video. And today we're going to be reacting to Best Ringtones 2017. Now, these ringtones are. I just found this, and I didn't watch it yet. So I'm curious to see what kind of ringtones they have here, and let's turn my volume up a little bit. I'm curious what kind of ringtones they have. So let's do this. I like that. I like that intro. And it's okay. There you go. Despacito. Oh God. Oh, a shape of you. Oh God. Holy crap, this sounds so good. It's just a missing part. Okay. Perfect Strangers. I haven't heard that song before. So if you Perfect Strangers fans out there, if you are, if you listen it, sorry, I never actually heard of the song before. Alright, so which one's next? Panda. Oh, okay, I heard that song. That would be a pretty good ringtone. After this, I'm gonna download that. And yes, I'm gonna link the video in the description so you guys can also check it out. And if you like one of these ringtones, then make sure you can download it because it's downloadable in the description below. Oh, Deadpool. No, I haven't watched the Deadpool the movie, but I heard of Deadpool because of the commercials, duh. And from Pokemon Cracks, from Pokemon Ranger Boy 12. Mama. Is it the one that says "Hey Mama"? Oh no, it's not. No. How my mom can use the ringtone. Oh, I heard that. I heard of that. Oh, Fate, I heard that song. I used that intro or that song as an intro for YouTube for my old like that was like an old video because my friend. Alright, so this is a true story. It was actually on my YouTube channel. So this happened in I believe fifth grade. Yeah, because I started YouTube on fifth grade. Um, my friend said, "Dude, why does your intro say cheese even though your YouTube channel's not cheese?" Well, that was that I originally did not make that intro. That was my brother. He's gonna start YouTube soon, so yeah. Um, I said, okay, I'm gonna make a new intro, so I used Legend to make me or I made myself a new intro, and and then and it was my friend from no, not middle school, elementary school. He was in my class, so he knew that I was doing on YouTube. He said, "Nice intro, dude, but why did you change it? I like the cheese one better." I just said, "Cause my, cause um because someone told me to, and I know who that person is, but I'm not gonna tell their name. Um, but his original name was JR3000. So if you might know him, then I forgot his now YouTube channel name. Um, so yeah, he told me to change it, so I did, and yeah, that's up. And I use fade as the song of the intro. So yeah, and it's not copyrighted, which is really good. Take me to infinity. No, I did not heard. I never heard of that song before. Okay, so that's it for the reaction video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'm also gonna leave this video in the description below so you guys can check it out. Um, so it's 9. So 9 is Take Me to Infinity, which is right now. Fate is 8. 7 is that one. 30 get them. I can't even see it. I thought Mom was gonna be like the one that says "Hey Mama," like that. And then we got Deadpool. The one I'm gonna freaking download is is the first one, second one. It might be either two, one, one, two, four, five. It might be those. I don't know. So so when you download them, tell me which one, or when you watch this video, or go to the description below and watch this video for your own self to see which one is better. Which one do you like most, and are you gonna download it for your ringtone? So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I made a Twitch account, but I won't be doing Twitch. I'm gonna be doing YouTube, or I'm not gonna be live streaming on Twitch. Sorry. I was holding a burp. Um, I'm not gonna be live streaming on Twitch. I either be live if all my live streams go bad, like they keep crashing, then I might go with Twitch. Alright, so see you guys. So that's it for this video. See you guys later. Bye.